Hey makers, let's see how to make a magnetic levitating pencil. Take a base of styrofoam and do a layout like this. Mark equidistant points from both the ends. Take a piece of styrofoam and apply double-sided tape. Remove it to stick on the base. Do similar steps with the other piece of styrofoam. Take 2 ring magnets and fix like this. Fix other 2 magnets such that it repels the neighboring magnets. Perform similar steps for the back magnets. Take half of popsicle as a contact stand. Double tape the part of pencil where ring magnet is to be placed. This magnet should repel the base magnets. Insert the magnet in pencil such that it is in phase with the base magnets. Similarly, double tape the front part. The front ring magnet should attract the front base magnets. Insert the ring magnet in such a manner that it is slightly back than the base magnets. The levitating pencil is ready to use, and now you can rotate it as there is little friction at the contact tip. Magnetic levitation or maglev is a method by which an object is suspended in air with the support of magnetic field. Here the lifting force is provided due to repulsion between the back magnets, and the stability of the pencil is due to the attraction between the front magnet and friction force at the tip of the pencil. Similar principle is used for the motion of high-speed maglev trains. Thanks for watching.